Many years ago, a specific country was renowned for manufacturing inexpensive and counterfeit products. However, today, this very country has transformed its reputation by emerging as a producer of some of the world's most expensive cars, rivaling high-end luxury vehicles from America and Europe. Notably, it boasts the #1 non-comparable Rolls Royce Phantom, distinguished by its unique design, and the exquisite Mercedes Maybach S-Class. Introducing the Hongchee L5, China's most expensive car, boasting styling features inspired by 1960s retro cars. What sets the Hongchee L5 apart from the Rolls Royce Phantom and the Mercedes Maybach S-Class, despite their illustrious histories, is its distinct retro aesthetic. Manufactured by Hongqi, a luxury brand under the FAW Group, the L5 is positioned as a car for everyone. To assess its accessibility to both the affluent and the middle class, let's delve into its exterior design, interior design, performance, technology, and kick off with an examination of its price. Make sure to watch this video until the end because there's a surprising moment coming your way. The Hongchee L5 sedan commands a starting price of $706,485, converted from 5 million yuan. This positions it as more expensive than the Rolls Royce Phantom and the Mercedes Maybach S-Class combined. The claim that the L5 is the car for everyone appears to signal a departure from being exclusively for government officials, catering instead to those with the means to afford it. Notably, the splendid Hongchee L5, designed by Xu Yi from 2014 to 2022 for its first-generation model, is set to usher in a second generation in 2024. Anticipated improvements include a bolder, taller design and 21-inch wheels, promising an enhanced version of this already impressive luxury sedan. The recently unveiled Hongchee L5, showcased at the Shanghai Auto Show, stands out as a full-size luxury limousine with impressive dimensions. Measuring 235 inches in length, 82 inches in width, and towering at 147 inches in height, the L5 boasts a substantial wheelbase of 147 inches. Its exclusivity is underscored by its availability solely to high-profile individuals in the country, exemplified by its use by President Xi Jinping during his international travels. The distinctive features of the Hongchee L5 include captivating round sparkling headlights reminiscent of those seen in classic Disney movie cars. Positioned at the center of the grille is the brand's symbol, a red flag, aligning with the Chinese meaning of Hongqi. The front grille, fashioned as a complete cage type with a chrome border, imparts a guided square shape, while the lower section of the L5 adopts the same grille pattern, contributing to an overall appearance that exudes a subtle, smiley face aesthetic. Examining the sides of the Hongchee L5 reveals its remarkable length, accentuated by chrome-colored wheels carrying the Hongqi logo on both the front and sides. The back of the car showcases taillights that extend across the entire rear to the tailgate opening. Notably, the new model features 4 pairs of silver lines positioned close to the lights, introducing a distinctive element. Adding to the visual appeal, the exhaust pipes take on a rectangular shape with a red light attached to their tops, serving as a captivating attention grabber. While the Rolls Royce Phantom may appear somewhat rugged compared to the sleek Hongchee L5, it lacks the same level of aesthetic allure. However, a notable similarity is observed in the exhaust pattern shared with the Mercedes Maybach S-Class. Even in this unarmored civilian form, the L5 is quite heavy. It weighs an astonishing 3,150 kilograms, compared to the Maybach mere 2,390 kilograms. Moving to the interior of the car, there's much more to be explored, promising an immersive experience within the luxurious confines of the Hongchee L5. The L5's interior exudes opulence, featuring hand-stitched leather seats, a wood console, and a panoramic sunroof. Modern conveniences abound, including a night vision system, a massaging function, and a refrigerator for added comfort. The cabin's design embraces a slightly old-school aesthetic, drawing inspiration from the graceful curves of antique Chinese buildings' eaves. The dashboard, with its square and circle designs within the combination instrumental panel, pays homage to the ancient Chinese philosophical concept of a circle within a square. This theme extends to the center LCD dashboard, symbolizing the beauty of equilibrium and collectively infusing the L5's interior with a refined taste of ancient Chinese culture. The Hongchee L5 is designed to accommodate a maximum of 4 people, including the driver. The front seats feature 2 to 3 screens, offering advanced control over various vehicle functions. Despite the presence of touchscreen technology, the dashboard and mid-console area retain physical buttons and knobs, catering to those who prefer a tactile interface. The back seats of the L5 offer a heightened level of luxury and comfort, featuring a convenient work surface accessible from the back of the front seats. Additionally, passengers can enjoy individual entertainment screens that seamlessly open with the push of a button, sliding up to provide an enhanced viewing experience. The Hongchee L5 lineup comprises 3 distinct variants: the civilian, official state car, and parade L5. Positioned at the front, the car operates as a 4-wheel drive, featuring a robust V8 4.0-liter turbocharged engine delivering 381 horsepower through an 8-speed automatic transmission. The L5 impressively achieves a top speed of 220 kilometers per hour, underscoring its performance capabilities across the different variants. In the upcoming generation of the Hongchee L5, a 6.0-liter V12 engine is set to propel the vehicle, generating 408 horsepower and 550 Newton-meters of torque. However, compared to its counterparts, the Rolls Royce Phantom, with 563 horsepower, and the Mercedes Maybach S-Class, with 661 horsepower, the Hongchee L5 falls short in power. The transmission system is a 6-speed automatic, distributing power to all 4 wheels. While the fuel consumption details remain undisclosed, the L5 features a reassuringly capacious 105-liter fuel tank. The Hongchee L5 may not match some of the established luxury cars from Rolls-Royce, Bentley, Mercedes, Audi, or Porsche. Hongchee introduces a compelling alternative with the Hongchee LS7, priced at a competitive starting point of $235,000. Unveiled on October 25, 2021, the LS7 is a full-size luxury SUV, claiming the title of China's largest SUV. Positioned as a direct competitor to local full-size SUVs like the BAIC BJ90 and global luxury vehicles such as the Cadillac Escalade, Lincoln Navigator, and Mercedes-Benz GLS class, the LS7 boasts dimensions with a length of 224 inches, a height of 78.1 inches, a width of 82.5 inches, and a wheelbase of 130.3 inches. The grille makes a bold statement with substantial chrome lines cascading from top to bottom. The headlights, reminiscent of Transformers' robot design, catch the eye. Additionally, the brand nameplate, featuring the red flag, gracefully slides from the upper part of the bonnet down to the midsection of the front fascia, adding a distinctive touch to the overall design. The Hongchee LS7 showcases distinctive window chrome border design with curved boomerangs, adding a touch of uniqueness. At the rear, the taillights feature a single light bar separated from individual lights at the bottom. Beyond its size advantage over the Hongchee L5, the LS7 exudes a rugged appeal, catering to a variety of personalities. Inside the LS7, a modern atmosphere prevails with dual 12.3-inch screens, one serving as a gauge cluster display behind the steering wheel, similar to the L5, and the other as a touchscreen for infotainment. The interior includes amenities like a wireless phone charger, concealed cup holders, and leather-wrapped drive and reverse mode levers. Media controls follow, accompanied by an additional storage compartment for enhanced convenience. The second-row seats in the LS7 epitomize total comfort, featuring 2 seats with broad backrests and ample legroom. The rear mid-console houses controls catering to passengers' preferences. Dual screens integrated into the headrests provide entertainment, while the roof pattern mirrors the elegance found in certain limousines, akin to Rolls-Royce, Mercedes Maybach, and Range Rover cars. The Hongchee LS7 seamlessly combines rugged exterior aesthetics with a luxurious and technologically advanced interior. The Hongchee LS7 is equipped with a turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine, delivering a robust 360 horsepower and 550 Newton-meters, 406 pounds, of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 9.1 seconds and achieves a top speed of 200 kilometers per hour. Excitingly, news outlets report that Hongqi plans to introduce another variant of the LS7, designed to accommodate 6 people simultaneously.